Welcome to Daily Angelic Messages for Wednesday, May 13th, 2020, day number 134. The message for today is Notice the Sounds of Nature. Taking a nice deep breath into your heart and a nice deep breath out, and wholeheartedly listening to today's divine message. The rhythmic sounds of the outdoors help you synchronize with the universe's heartbeat, boosting your ability to be in the right place at the right time. We angels are enlisting nature's help to connect you to her music. Notice the noises that are all around you today. Leaves rustling in the wind, birds chirping, rain, thunder, or ocean waves. Feel your breathing and pulse move in time with these sounds. Listening to recordings of nature can also help in this endeavor. Since you're a part of Earth, it's only natural for your body to join in the beautiful rhythm of Mother Nature's symphony. The thought for today, repeating after me: I notice the sounds of the natural world, tuning in to the beautiful rhythms of birds, trees, animals, and the wind. I listen to Mother Nature's music deep within my soul. I allow my rhythms to synchronize with those of the universe, giving me my perfect timing. Have a most beautiful, blessed day.